Let us define problem statements to learn more about data frame APIs. We will try to cover filtering, aggregations, and sorting as part of solutions for these problem statements. Filtering, aggregations, and sorting are most commonly used transformations, and hence we call them as basic transformations. Every data engineer should be familiar with these things to begin with, and then we also should know details about joins as well as advanced transformations such as ranking and few other things. As part of the problem statements, the first problem statement which we'll be covering is nothing but get total number of flights as well as number of flights which are delayed in departure and number of flights delayed in arrival. For this problem statement, the output should contain 3 columns. They are nothing but flight count, departure delayed count, and arrival delayed count. The next problem statement is nothing but get number of flights which are delayed in departure and number of flights delayed in arrival for each day, along with the number of flights departed for each day. In this case, the output should contain 4 columns. They are nothing but flight date, flight count, departure delayed count, and arrival delayed count. When it comes to flight date, it should be of this format, which is nothing but 4-digit year hyphen 2-digit month hyphen 2-digit day or date format. Data should be sorted in ascending order by flight date. The next problem statement is nothing but get all the flights which are departed late but arrived early, which means those flights, even though they are delayed while leaving the airports, they might catch up the destination airport. For this problem statement, the output should contain CRS departure time. It is nothing but scheduled departure time, unique carrier, flight number, origin, destination, departure delay, and arrival delay. Flight CRS departure time need to be computed using year, month, day of month, and CRS departure time. Flight CRS departure time should be displayed using this format. It is nothing but 4-digit year hyphen 2-digit month hyphen 2-digit date, then space, then 24 hours colon 2-digit minute format. Output should be sorted by flight CRS departure time and then by the difference between departure delay and arrival delay. Also, we should be getting a count of such flights. So these are the problem statements which we will be exploring to learn the basic transformations which include filtering, aggregations, as well as sorting.